Hi, maybe you need information about computer components, laptops, printers. Sometimes we have trouble matching if you want to buy components on the online marketplace, because they are only pictures, or the components we want to buy don't have part numbers. Well, here I will video everything that. Please help like and subscribe, so that my videos can continue. This keyboard has a button, off turn on the laptop, or commonly called the power button. Then, arrow keys, up down, right, left, Windows key, function key FN. Numeric keys, at the top. To use it, must enable FN and numeric functions. This keyboard is comfortable to use for typing. The media keys are at the top, and below are the numeric keys. The numeric keys are also on the right, combined with the letter keys, using them by activating the numeric and the FN function. This keyboard can be used for laptops. Asus X441, Asus X441u, Asus A441, Asus R441, Asus F441, Asus S441, all series. To replace the damaged Asus X441 laptop keyboard, you don't need to buy the frame case together. The price is also expensive, so you only need to buy this keyboard. The frame case uses the old frame, only the keyboard is replaced. The price is cheaper. This is the back of the keyboard. At the bottom of the flexible cable, there is double-sided tape, whose function is to glue this flexible cable. Like this. To replace the keyboard, without buying a frame, you have to open the case. Don't forget to remove the socket, by prying the lock out, slowly. Like this. The keyboard is still one with the frame, which is locked with plastic clamps. You have to cut the clamps, which lock the keyboard one by one, using a cutting knife. How to cut it like this? Cut all the clamps, don't let anything lock up. Cut all the locking clamps, until the keyboard can be released. If it is released, it will be like this. Install a new keyboard, as before, like this. To lock the keyboard, use hot glue, stick it, a little bit, on each clamp that was cut earlier. Plug the flex cable back in, then press down on the latch. Put it back as before. Until here first this short video, I pray that you will always be given health, always be blessed with fortune, always achieve all your wishes, always be blessed by God. Amen. Thank you. Goodbye.